Hello, guys. Welcome to a new fresh episode of Crypto Milad. And today, guys, is 27 January, and we're gonna discuss the Bitcoin price. We're gonna discuss the cryptocurrency market because, like you know, guys, the crash it happened today on the Monday. It can be good, it can be bad. For some people, it's bad, of course, when the portfolio is dropping with 20, 30, 40, 50% with some coins. And for some people, it's good because they can buy more for a discount price, guys. Because today we have a discount price. It's not Black Friday, but it's like some kind of discount Monday, Friday on the crypto market. And what is the reason, guys, why Bitcoin it's so much dropping and all the market actually it's so much dropping? The reason it's today not the other cryptocurrency, it's a EI project, a Chinese EI project, DeepSeeker, guys. We're gonna talk a little bit about DeepSeeker also. First of all, guys, let's go to the market. And the market, guys, it's super red today. Like you see, the drop is heavy, the drop is serious with a lot of coins. This is like the top 100, guys. You don't see almost no green candles. SPX 6900, almost 20% down, guys. Doge, 10%, 11% discount. Bitcoin, almost a 6% down. Guys, the drop is heavy today. The drop is heavy today. And like I said, it can be good. It can be good if you have some extra funds. What you're gonna spend in the Bitcoin and in the altcoins. That's then a good situation because right now you can buy it for a cheap price. And I think you don't need to wait so long time until it goes up. I think this is a fast drop for Bitcoin and the altcoins. I think it will recover very soon, maybe today, maybe later today when the stock market opens. And we're gonna see that, guys. I think tomorrow actually it can be that the market it shows better things than today. Let's go to the issue of the drop, guys. Because why Bitcoin is so much dropping? It's because the DeepSeek, guys. DeepSeek. This is the website. This is the DeepSeek. It's let's see. It's a Chinese artificial intelligence lab which develops open source large language models. So actually, it's a free open source version of a AI, what you can ask everything like ChatGTP. Just it's a free version. It's totally open source. And like how a lot of companies already investing a lot of money, American companies that invest a lot of money inside AI and a project like this, like ChatGTP, it becomes totally uh, like for free, and you don't need to pay nothing for it. And they did it, guys. DeepSeek, it's they already you can even download the very easy. You go to the website, for example, and you can directly start and you can just get the application on Android, on anything, guys, on your iPhone. So it's easy to download. It's totally easy to sign up. It's literally one minute or less than a 1 minute, and then you have access to this to DeepSeek. Air One, it's now live, open source, revealing OpenAI Model O1, available on web app AP. Click for details. So, guys, this is actually a game changer. This is a game changer for many applications that are AI based, and a lot of tokens, of course, in the cryptocurrency are AI based. So this can be a problem for some companies that ask money for it or are not open source, because guys, this is a game changer. This is going to change the game for AI. And this is actually why a lot of what a lot of there was a lot of sell-off today in the market. The main reason, actually, what I could found is DeepSeek, and I think it will not take a long term. Actually, it's nothing negative, guys. It's something positive. They give the users free access to a lot of information, free information totally open source. Guys, this is how the world should be in my sense of view. This is how money should be open source. Like, for example, a Bitcoin. This is how applications should be. This is making the world easy and more accessible for the most people that maybe don't have money to pay things for application. This is like how you can make the world more free. And I think it's nothing bad beside that our portfolio is a little bit going down, guys. And that's of course never nice to see when your portfolio is going down, but it's nothing to worry about, guys. I think this is a short-term thing, and I think there will be nothing to worry about. Today, guys, we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, like you know, guys, it's the front runner. We should respect Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's not a little coin, guys. It's the front runner. It's the number one by far. So if Bitcoin go down, guys, expect that 99% of the market, crypto market, will go down because they follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king. So when Bitcoin, for example, today go to 90K, imagine what will happen with your altcoins and with your meme coins. They will multiply, go down. Like when Bitcoin will go at this moment 5% down, expect a 20% down, 4 times down for your meme coin, or at least maybe the good ones 10%, but under the top 10, I think you will see big bloodbaths, guys. Like you say, like I say, the blood is in the streets on this Monday. So I'm happy for you if you can buy some uh, cryptocurrency at this prices. Of course, it's nice to buy it for cheap. How cheaper you buy it, how more probability that it's that you're gonna get profit. So that's also very important to buy at the right moment, guys. That's very important in this market. So never buy the tops, in my sense of view. Buy the bottoms. I think it's a less risk way of trading to buy the bottoms than when you want to buy the breakout, because nine of the time breakouts, guys, it's it's a dead cat bounce. It's like a false breakout. And with the false breakout, if you are a good trader, you can keep it low, the loss, and you lose maybe a couple percent, and you wait for the big pump that you catch the 10, 20, 30, or even more percent when the breakout happens, and then you recover all your losses. Just the most people in the market are not so professional in taking and having a stop loss and taking a good risk management. Let's be honest, guys. The most of the people in the market, they are just not so fast in acting. They prefer to wait and wait and wait until their coin gonna pump one day again. Then that they'd say, okay, I go in this price, and now it's at that price, and this was not my plan, and I'm out, and I take my lose, and I accept it, and go to the next trade. The most people think in the first way and not in the last explained way. How I told to go fast out and trade this when you see it's not suitable for you. Of course, the long term, with a very long term, it's not a problem. But when you are a little bit short term trader, even in a month time frame, or in 2 weeks time frames, like you should be sometimes the man that takes out his loss and wait for lower prices. Because like you see the couple past months, it was not so good to hold your coins. It was better to in and out from time to time, because you could buy really double your coin, or triple your coin, or even 4 times your coin what you are in for the same price. So that's always good to do, because when the price then go up, then you have multiply your profit, of course. So guys, let's go to the Bitcoin charts. The Bitcoin charts today. Let's go to the weekly. Let's start with the weekly Bitcoin price action. Let me zoom this a little bit more out for you guys so you see it a little bit better. So what we see here, guys, that the last week we had an all-time high at almost 110k. We sniffed the almost 110k. We smelled it, but it was just not enough to strong enough to keep going up. So we went down, and this candle, guys, of course, it doesn't look so good. It depends what's gonna happen, because the week is early. It's still 6 days, and two things can happen. If we close, for example, this week like this, the probability is big that the next week it will be go even a little bit more down. If this will be a wick and the wick close at least, let's say, around 102k, that's a good sign, because then the wick is so long, the body is very little in a weekly. That means the probability for the next candle is higher that it goes up, and that we're gonna try to get some retry to break the all-time high of 110k, guys. So at this moment of time, I will not be so worried, because we are in the beginning of the week. Let's see how this week gonna end how big this week will be to the upside. How bigger the body, how more chance that we go down. How low, how more little the body, how bigger the wick. It shows that maybe we're gonna end this week, end this month, and the February will be a green month, and we're gonna try to find higher prices from that point. So let's go to let's see what is this doing. Laos says, okay, the MACD, it looks like that it's gonna cross. I hope it doesn't cross. I hope it stays like this and it pushes up. But of course, it's not about what I hope, guys, because I hope that the Bitcoin price go to 1 million. But it's not about what I hope. It's about what's gonna happen. So at this moment, it's a little bit hard to say, but I expect actually that this drop will not be so much that the most people think. It's a big drop, like from 110 to 1 week to 98, but I think we will find some support soon and we will try to bounce up again. Let's go to the 4-day charts. The 4-day charts, the MACD already crossed to the downside. The RSI, it looks a little bit neutral to bearish, and the CMF, it's going a little bit down. That's not good. But the good thing is we have 1 day and 12 hours to recover this to this candle. The four of and it's the same story as the weekly. We need to try to have at least the wick should be higher than the half of the body. If it's lower than the half of the body, the chance of probability will be bigger that the next candle also will go a little bit down. But if it's a high wick, the chance is big that we're gonna bounce from here. So that's also done the daily chart, guys. The daily chart, we find some support at the 50 EMA. At this orange line, the 50 EMA, it was going a couple downs under it, but not for a long time, not more than one candle. We had here a wick. So let's see if we can hold this. If we cannot hold this, guys, the next one, it's around 92, 93K, the next big support. Let's say between 90K and 92K. We should hold that if we don't want to have a big drop, a longer term drop in a couple weeks. Because if we're going to break the 90K, guys, it means that, or it will be a fast drop. Let's say you can then better have a fast drop and direct recovery with a long wick than that you have little candles that go little bit by little bit down, because um, that's less probability to have a big wick and a big bounce move to the upside, and that's sometimes what you want to see in a bottom, guys. Something that's bounce fast from let's go down fast, but it's recover fast, and that means there comes some momentum inside the market and some money at that price point, and from there they try to push it up again. The MACD, it doesn't look so good, guys. I hope it recovers today. 11 hours, 12 hours to go to see this wick, but the stock market didn't open yet. So in a couple hours, we should know how positive this or negative this candle will perform today. And the CMF and the RSI, it's going down, so that's not so good. CMF is now going a little bit up, so maybe this was the peak. Maybe this was the bottom of 90, let's say 98K. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, the oscillators doesn't look good, so make this a little bit bigger. We found support at this point at 99k. We are now exactly at the support point. What we should actually do is as soon as possible come above this moving average is what you see and go again up, and at least like in a couple candles have again a move up above 103k. That will be very bullish. That will confirm the previous prices also. So let's see how far that can come. Just like we can have some support around 102k, 102k 800. At least we should now bounce fast, go again up above the 100. Because if we stay a long time under the 100, guys, the chance become bigger that we're gonna go more down. So guys, Bitcoin, it doesn't look that bad. Just of course, the chance of probability comes again bigger that we're gonna go to 94k. What I don't expect with the chance, I think the chance is bigger that we go soon above 100k again. And let's hope that we can stay above 100k because there is a little bit panic at this moment in the market. But the good thing is, guys, you can buy very cheap now some coins. For example, SPX 6900, you can buy at this moment. It's again around $1. I think that's a good point. Trump around 26. Trump is going down and down, guys. But I think there will come some move up. And I think the move up when will come with Trump, it will be a big candle. Maybe it push direct to 40 50k 40 50 dollar again for one Trump. But let's see when the bounce comes, when the boost gonna take over. Because at this moment with the Trump coin, the bears took the control. The good news is Hopi didn't drop so much with this news, what the most market dropped. And thank God it didn't drop so much because it's already at the low point, and we should break this point. Try to break the point, and let's see, guys. Let's see if Hopi can make a move soon up. The good thing is, guys, you see that there is not so much sell pressure anymore in Hopi. Even when the market it's in this moment of a little bit a crash, Hopi holds good, and that shows me some strong momentum in Hopi, guys. But everything is down, guys. Peanut for 25 cents. It went literally down 10 times in a 1.5 month because the all-time high was around like $2.5. That's how it can go, guys, in the cryptocurrency. That's how fast it goes. Pepe on a super discount price at this moment. 1255, guys. You can buy some Pepe. Like everything is super down, guys. Everything is so much down. Wolfnet, what I wanted to show, guys, it's also down, and I think it's also a good buy point, guys. It comes next hour. It comes to MRI 4-hour buy. That's a good point, and you will get it because 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. You will get the MRI 9, so that's a good buy point in the short term. I think we're gonna have some upside move from Landwolf because Landwolf's, guys, for me stays as a good project. It's like it's going down now, almost 2 times the price, but it doesn't mean that the bounce it doesn't come soon and we're gonna make a higher point. I think this is such a good price at this moment. If you buy in steps to buy some Landwolf, for example, at this point, when it go a little bit lower, you can even buy with steps a little bit more and more. And I don't think this will disappoint us in 2025. I think there will be the all-time high will be broken. And even Deutsch is again down, guys. Deutsch, it went a little bit up, but now it's again down. It's around 30 cents for one Deutsch coin, 31 cents. So that's also good. Retardio. Guys, Retardio made a big drop, and it was really a big drop. So at this moment, guys, 4 cents for one Retardio, I think it's such a good price. Nothing is financial advice, guys. Just like sharing my talks, how I think what's a good price and whatnot. And I think Retardio for 4 cents, 4.5 cents, it's a super discount price because I gonna see this coin going at least 5x in a 1 2 months 3 months from here, and gonna reach again the all-time high. So, guys, discount day, bleeding Monday in the cryptocurrency. I hope you survive these days. And of course, this is sometimes the sad days in the crypto market if you are full in the market. But guys, this is the crypto market. This is how it goes, ups and downs from time to time. This is not the S&P 500 that sometimes goes down a little couple percent, and in yearly base it goes up a couple percent. It's not like that, guys. The crypto market is different. It's based on cycles. It's based on a strategy. It's based on how you trade it. It's based on not being too greedy and sometimes take your profit. I think that's a very, very big word in the crypto market. Don't be greedy. Know when you can get some money out the market, because that's not today. In my sense of view, today is not the day to take some money out, because that's the worst days, let's say, to take your money out. You should always do it on green days, guys, because then the probability is that it's go lower and you can buy more. But at today, of course, the price can always go lower than this, but the chance is just bigger that it doesn't. And if it's go, the percentage weights is a lot more bigger that it goes up in the upcoming months, that it go in present the rate down. For example, I expect a bigger chance that the price go double from here. For example, Retario get at 8 cents, then that it goes to 2 cents from here. That's what I mean with the chance of probability and the chance of risk management and calculate everything. I think that's very important, guys. So this is also a good moment to end the show, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, send a like at this video so we can grow as a community a little bit more. And I hope you like it. If you didn't subscribe for more daily news, what I'm gonna bring up the upcoming weeks, months in the crypto bull market. Because I my sense of feel, guys, we are still in the bull market. Just we have a little dip, but that's the game, guys. That's the game. That's where we are in. So I wish you all a great, fantastic Monday, guys. I hope today we have a more green day than today. So let's hope tomorrow we come with some good green news, guys. I wish you all a great day. Bye bye, guys. See you all tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.